Is the base fully secured?
Yes, sir. The whole base is secured of criminal activity. There are no traces of more Jamarticans since our arrival in the mission to defeat the infamous problem solvers.
Good. You know, ever since we proceeded with the operation in eliminating the infamous problem solvers, sometimes I couldn't help but feel it was all too easy. Have this area searched again just in case of anything suspicious.
Yes, sir. Wait. What the fuck?
What is it, soldier?
Behind you, sir.
What the fuck?
There shouldn't be more. We checked the whole area and it didn't make sense for 2 more individuals to appear. They weren't even in our scanners. Unless Jammers had them come through teleportation, of course.
It doesn't matter anymore. The fact is that they were sent here as backup to take their base back. Let's prepare to see who it is.
Oh shit.
Targets acquired. Priority 1. Must obey objective. Destroy all Autobot and Decepticon resistance.
These 2 are not the cells at all, from the looks on their eyes.
Where is that ground bridge coming from?
Hang on, Joker. I got your back.
Dino, what are you doing here?
That is simple. Alpha Prime wish to give you aid, so we can do this together, to teach G-Mart a little lesson that he will never forget.
If it means to bring our friends back, let's do it, Dino.
Sir, I would suggest caution. The probability of this fight can be brutal. Now that means...
I know how dangerous it is, but with Dino as backup, we just might have a chance. Wish us luck during our fight.
Yes, sir.
Let's rescue our friends. They should be back to normal any minute now.
What the fuck? Lucina, where are we?
Don't know, Dad. My head is so spinning that I don't remember anything for like the first few months.
Lucina, Chrom, thank God you are back.
Joker. Dino, is that you?
And there you have it. The mind control has worn off after the fight.
Can you tell us what the hell just happened? You wouldn't believe it. Jimmer had brainwashed you both into fighting for him, so we had to use self-defense this whole time.
I think it is all calling back to us. What the fuck? That motherfucker did this to us?
That piece of shit. Just wait until he gets an ass beating. Wait, someone else is coming.
Why stinky poopy heads always ruin everything?
Well, what do we have here?
The infamous Bob the Builder ripoff, Rusty Rivets, hiding to be out of range of the sensors. So it was you who is commanding them to attack us to ensure Jimmer wins.
To teach stupid poopy heads lesson for killing problem solvers by controlling knights to do Jimart bidding, but stupid poopy head Autobots ruin it.
You motherfucker. All this just for these fucking infamous problem solvers?
That's right, and me infuriated that me seek revenge on stupid poopy heads.
They were fucking criminals for fuck's sake.
Stupid stinky poopy heads.
Dad, I think it's about time we teach this criminal beat a lesson.
Let's kick this criminal's ass.
I say we give Lucina and Chrom the time to kick his ass.
Lucina, Chrom, you two know what to do.
Actually me defeated, go die on fire.
Thank you for the save. Without your help, we would have stayed being brainwashed criminals permanently.
You are most welcome, Lucina and Chrom. With you free and Rusty Rivets defeated, the galaxy is saved once again. As an Autobot commander, I'll be sure to have you two enlisted to the Autobots to be safe from Jimmer so that he will never brainwash any of you ever again.